We have lots of crafts. It's a pioneer theme, so it's all old-fashioned crafts. We do hand-dipped candles and other candles.
It's fun for the kids to do arts and crafts, you know, make things for their grandparents or friends, and it gives them a little history lesson along with it.
But they do get to learn about different things that pioneer kids might have used, or you know, in the log cabin we've got a lot of different pioneer toys and games that they can look at and play with. Definitely couldn't do this without our volunteers. It's a pretty intensive program. We need more than one person at most booths. So
they actually make the candle and they can take it home, and it's really neat that they made it and they're proud of it.
Cookies and hot chocolate in the cabin every time, and we get all the cookies and things donated from our volunteers too. So homemade goodness and hot chocolate, can't beat it.